Whether you are cooking for family, friends, or simply treating yourself, this chili con carne is sure to impress. It is bold, warming, and packed with personality that you will love. It is super delicious. It goes well with rice. Spoon it on top of a baked or cooked potatoes, or you eat it just like that. It is super good. Lovely. Let me show you how I prepared this super savory and satisfying chili con carne. In a pot, I'll be pouring some olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, it goes well with it. Into this oil, I'm going to add the minced meat I'll be using. The oil is already hot and I added the minced meat. I'm just going to use my spatula to break the minced meat. I don't want them to be fried all together like that. It has to be scattered because that is how it's going to go well with what we are going to cook it with. So I'm going to add diced onion into this. Be generous with your onions. You will love the result. I added the onions and I'm also going to add salt into this. I added salt and I'm going to add seasoning. Of course, I'm using no seasoning. Feel free to use Maggi if that is what is available. It goes well with it too. I'm just going to use the spatula once again to mix everything together. If you are a lover of garlic and you love to add garlic, please add it into it. This is how I'll open fry it until everything turns to brown. That means it is done. When everything is brown, then it is done like this. That is how I want it. So into this now, I'm going to add diced paprika and I'm going to add diced tomatoes into it. Thank you so much to all you my returning subscribers. Thanks for being there. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Please remember to subscribe. Join us and you'll be glad you did. So lovely. I'm going to introduce the tins of red kidney beans I'll be using. These are Starbucks. Okay, I bought it. This very kidney bones, it's already pre-cooked. You can drain it and rinse it, but I love to use it like this because this very one I bought, you can use the water with it like this. So I'm just going to pour everything like this into the pot. Please check the comment section or the description box. There you're going to find the recipe list for you to see the exactly measurement of everything I used. You will see how many things of kidney beans I used and how many paprika, onions and tomatoes. Prepare it this way. I bet you're going to love it. It is classic and it tastes super delicious. And now into the red kidney beans, I'm going to add sweet corns into it as well. These are also Starbucks. Okay, this is for quickly delicious meals. I'm going to add the corn into it now and I'll be using this chili con carne powder. This is how I bought it. Let me show you. This is how it comes. But if you are not using this, please add tomato puree, a bit of sugar and ground cumin into it. So lovely. Into this, you can add black pepper. You can add more chili if you want it to be more hot. Okay, so I gave them all together a very good mix because it has to really become one. I'm going to add more water into this because it's a bit too thick. I'm going to add more water and I'll cover and allow to cook for about 35 to 40 minutes. Stirring occasionally. This allows the flavor to meld and the sauce to thicken. Lovely. This is super aromatic and you will love it. Taste for salt and adjust. All right, so it's time to serve it. Feel free to eat this the way it is. You can serve it with potatoes, with bread, with rice, or you eat it the way it is. It is versatile and super delicious. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.